Suno claims to be the best AI music generator on the market right now, but does it live up to that promise? Today we're diving into the features, performance, and overall user experience to see if it's worth your time and investment. Suno offers a unique approach to music generation, allowing users to create original tracks using AI. The platform is designed for both amateurs and professionals, catering to those who might need quick background music or intricate compositions. When you first log in, the interface feels inviting, with a clean layout that makes it easy to navigate. One standout feature is the ability to customize genres and moods, which can really help tailor the music to specific projects. However, while the AI does a decent job at producing catchy tunes, some users might find the results a bit generic or lacking in depth. The platform also allows for tweaking and editing, but it could use a more robust set of editing tools for those who want finer control over their music. Overall, while Suno has a solid foundation, there are areas where it feels like it's just scratching the surface of what could be possible. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Suno is incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners who may not have any music production experience. The genre and mood customization features are also a great touch, allowing for some creative flexibility, but there are definitely some frustrations. First, the AI-generated music can sometimes feel a bit repetitive or formulaic, which might not satisfy more experienced musicians looking for something unique. Additionally, the editing capabilities are somewhat limited, which could be a deal breaker for users wanting more control over their tracks. And then there's the pricing. While it's not the most expensive option out there, it can add up if you're planning to use it frequently. In conclusion, Suno is a solid choice for those looking to dip their toes into AI music generation, especially if you're a beginner or need quick music for projects. However, if you're a seasoned musician or looking for something with more depth, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but manage your expectations.